All right. Hello, everybody, again. This is week 4, summer garden update. He's getting nice and big. So, here's the lavenders. Oh, they smell good. Chop the head off the sunflower, let these littler ones sprout up. Come on, focus. We got the mint. Nice and bushy. These little guys. Not sure what they're called. Oh, come on, Zoom. No, I guess that doesn't want to work today. I actually pulled this zucchini off of the other two. It was getting a little overcrowded and had some roots on it, so I stuck it in some dirt and it's alive. This is the cherry tomato. Had to put a cage on it. It was starting to get a little top heavy. Peppers are real good. A whole bunch of little. I stopped clipping any of the flowers at this point. I'm gonna let them do their thing now. So we'll see some growth on those probably between the next week or two. Sunflowers are getting ready to go on the ground here. So next week they probably won't be here. They'll be relocated. We got this zucchini monster that is just taking off. And we look in here, we got one good sized little baby so far. I think there's a second one. I don't know if it got pollinated. That one, the first one definitely got pollinated. So we got one, maybe two. Oh, nope, 3, 4. Look at those guys. We got one right here. We got another one right down in here. There we go. So that's the female. It's got the little sack on the end. Let me see if I can find a male here. See this male? There's nothing at the base, just the stalk and the flower. And then our cucumber. There's actually, I believe, 4 of them. We're coming out of the ground here. We got some little babies on this one. Let's see if they got pollinated. I haven't found any others yet to keep an eye on. Got these guys in here. Starting to get some flowers. Let them do their thing. I'm going to take a peek on the rose real quick. Got all kinds of growth here. Got to keep on top of watering the marigolds. They get thirsty quick. I don't see any more aphids, but I think here in the next day or two, it's been a week or two, I'm going to spray it again. Let's see what happens. I'm going to give it some bloom food. Let's see if we get some more roses here. It was flowering before I sprayed it, and then once I sprayed it, it just kicked into vegetative growth. So, all right. And this guy, he's not doing too hot. So I think I might try putting it in the ground and see if it really hasn't grown much in size. It's just kind of in limbo. So probably stick it right there in the ground. See if it does anything different. All right, well, that's week 4. We'll see you next week.